Okay. Hi guys, today I will be talking about the celery juice challenge. I've been drinking celery juice for 7 days, and yeah, it's kind of not really my favorite, but you can get used to it. Like first thing in the morning, I drink it before breakfast. I usually drink it like 8 o'clock in the morning. 30 minutes before breakfast on your empty stomach. If you drink it like in a few hours, you'll be going to the bathroom. But no, you're going to the bathroom and really have to go to the bathroom. So that's what my experience. So celery has a lot of benefits. So yeah, just give it a try. I might be doing it for I don't know how long, maybe a month or so. Like it because you really got, when you drink it first thing in the morning and then wait 30 minutes and then I have my breakfast. My breakfast like 9 o'clock. And yeah, no, I feel a lot better though. Got a lot of energy. So not only like 7 days, I will be keep drinking that, for a while. Hi guys, good morning. Today I will be doing a seven days celery challenge. 7 days celery juice challenge. It seems like it's on YouTube, so I will be doing that today, and this will be my first day. Okay. Parang hindi yata marami. But that's it. Tapos, i-strain ko lang to. Strain it. Okay. Use a straw because I don't know how it tastes.
Because you don't like it. If I would try it, I don't.
Not too bad because I can eat this celery by itself. Not too bad.
Mom. Mom. Mom.
What?
Me and it's funny in Draco. We're
And it's
playing
cold
House of
too.
Roblox.
Uh-huh.
And then it has like
Okay,
this.
that's it. Look at the mess. Okay. What? Okay, I just done walking. I walk 1.5 miles today, and this is my day 2 of celery juice 7-day challenge. 7-day challenge. 7 days challenge of the celery juice. But anyway, I will be making juice today. Yesterday wasn't enough.
I just woke up from a nap.
Nap. You're not in a nap. It's morning, baby. Okay. So her face got a lot of, what's that? Tattoos. That's a fake tattoos. So, but I will be making the juice now. I'll be right back. Okay. I'll put it in this container.
Oh, that's how much it filled it. It's filling it.
Okay, I filled that up, but I'm gonna use this one because I only it's only not even half of glass, probably 8 ounce. Yeah. I'm gonna put water. I will put water on this one.
Okay. Following you. Following you. Wait, are you in the camera? Sorry guys, so we can bad angle.
Okay.
So there she is. I didn't know my thumb was
That
there.
is too much water.
My mom put too much celery.
No, you're gonna have too much celery, but not enough, but not too much water.
So that's my messy table. I painted it. And I should have taken a video when I was making my paint. Oh.
You do that.
There. The ugly, smelly celery. And then here's this little thing. This is my food. It looks kind of disgusting.
Okay.
Oh, there's a lot of that. I think probably in an inch and a half. I don't know. That was my mom's stuffing. Wait. I can paint with her. And my tooth is pulled out. You didn't see the video. I didn't see it.
Oh, it's leaking.
So that was my painting. It's this pretty one.
Okay, this is how much juice I got.
How long?
I don't think I will be using this one, so this is enough. That would be enough for me. And then I'm gonna put this back. I'll just use this tomorrow. I'm using a straw so it will be easier to drink. Okay. How much juice I got? A lot better than yesterday. So I'm gonna drink it now. Drinking it on an empty stomach.
She doesn't like it. Wait, guys. Did you ever try my gummies? They're so delicious. Wait. I don't know where they are now. Oh. This is a fruit-flavored gummy. And helps support healthy bone and tooth development. So it will help my tooth right there. So I'm gonna be eating it. Yep. Why do I always... Ah, come on! I always get too much. And you only have to take one.
Okay.
Maybe if you're older, you take two.
Okay, that's it. There. And then
Bye.
see you tomorrow.
Bye, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and comment down below.
Okay, while my husband is working on our countertop, I'll be over here. I'll be watching TV. Gonna be watching, I don't know. We don't know yet. But anywho, oh my goodness, what was that? That was the Pamaica. Kind of relaxing. You want to be over here too?
Yeah.
You need to have your...
Wait, just blur it out. Just blur it.
No,
Just blur it.
it's alright.
I'm gonna...
Say hi.
Hi. You can just blur it out.
Here's my pangit daughter. Don't have a tooth.
Hey, I'm not Bangy. I look like Sandra.
She said she looks like her cousin Cassandra. Hi, Cassandra. Shout out to
Shout out to
my niece.
shout out to her sister. A shout out is coming up, and we don't know what's going to happen.
The what?
We don't know what to shout out.
Huh?
We don't know what to do.
To do what? What? To do what?
A shout out.
Oh, just say shout out to my cousin, to Chandra and.
No, she's my cousin, not your cousin. She's your niece.
I know your cousin. Chandra, Elvona, Andriana, and to all my cousins in the Philippines, like that.
Okay, say it in Filipino so they understand.
Okay, that's all for now.
No. Hi guys. So, don't touch that knife, kids. Don't touch that knife. That's a dangerous knife. Kids should stay away. Kids. I can't say it right because my tooth is out. Okay, kids. Okay. I don't know what it is. Okay, kids can read. Okay. Oh, wait. Just ignore that. Just ignore that. Okay.
You just cut that one thing straight through that way and get it there. And then
I can't.
cut the seam
Wait, it's kind of hard doing it when I'm looking at the camera.
piece on this side.
Oh my gosh. That deal looks bad. Ah.
I'm sure they do, but I don't have a paper right now.
Wait, guys. Wait. I'll come back. Sorry. I didn't do it.
Pati rin po kami ng mga kapatid ko. Please. Thank you po. Ay, bakit? Baby Jesus, pwede po ba humingi ng baby brother? Oh, ano? Please.
Okay, I'm not done yet.
I let my husband try it. He just drank half of the celery juice. He didn't like it. Huh? He said he likes it, but makes him sick because too early to drink juice. He needs to have a breakfast first, he said. Okay guys, this is my day 4 and the juice still okay, but in the last 2 days it seems like day 2 and day 3, going to the bathroom is just a blast. But I don't know if that causes that celery that I've been drinking or what, but I don't know. So I kind of like that though. Yeah. This is my day 4. Well, see you guys on my day 5. Bye. Okay guys, this is my day 5 of the celery juice challenge, and yeah, I put a little bit of salt in here, and yesterday it tastes a little bit bitter, but now it's okay. So I'll just see you guys tomorrow, day 6 of this one. So, I don't know if I can make it more than 7 or not. We'll try, but I'll just do the 7 days. See how it goes. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye. We got that granite countertop up here. Grabe kabugat. But we made it. Hugaw, pero I have to clean it anyways. There. Grabe kabugat. Hi guys, good morning. Day 6 of Celery Juice Challenge. Okay, this is my day 6. And I put a little bit of Himalayan salt. Not too bad. Yeah, Himalayan salt. It's cold. I don't really like to drink cold drinks first thing in the morning, especially before breakfast, because it's kind of not good. Makes me kind of throw up. But it's alright. I have this stainless steel straw, so I'm not using the plastic straw anymore. Yeah.
My mouth hurts.
Come. Okay, see you guys tomorrow for my day 7. Bye. Have to stir it. This one is for my husband. There you go. Just have to split it up. Give him some love. Here, that's mine. Okay, here. There's my juice. This is my day 7, so I can still go on for how many days, but day 7. Okay. That's all for my celery juice. So, okay, thank you guys for stopping, and we'll see you next time here on our channel. And don't forget to I have a silly girl here. Okay, bye, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.